Revision, addition and subtraction. The cap seller and the monkeys. Nandu had decided to give caps to his friends on his birthday. So, the cap seller was taking 20 caps to Nandu's house. He lay down to rest under a tree by the roadside. The monkeys on the tree made off with all his caps. They sat on the tree and wore the caps. They just would not return the caps to the cap seller. The cap seller threw his cap on the ground in anger. And guess what happened? Most of the monkeys did the same. The cap seller put his cap back on his head and quickly collected all the others. He got back 18 caps. Now, how many more caps will Nandu need on his birthday? 20 children were invited to the party. The cap seller handed over the 18 caps he had got back. 17 children came for the party. Did every child get a cap? Were some caps left over? How many? Addition by counting forward. Look at the table of 100. Now, 12 plus 7 equals to how much? Put your finger on the number 12. After 12, count 7 more boxes in the same column. Which number do you get? 19. 12 plus 7 equals to 19. This is how we add by the counting forward method. Let's do it again. 29 plus 5 equals to how much? In the table, after 29, count 5 more boxes in the same and the next column. What do you get? 34. 29 plus 5 equals to 34. Let's try one more. 64 plus 8 equals to how much? Let's count 8 more boxes after 64. That is 72. Addition using tens, units. Adding 0 and subtracting 0. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 0 plus 5 equals 5. Let's shake the tree to make the papayas fall. 4 minus 0 equals 4. I shook the tree so hard, but no papaya fell.